I'm Doug here at Global West, and what I'd like to talk to you about today for 1964 through 66 Mustangs is export braces. What we have on the table here is a TS46. It's a 4-bar export brace to tie the shock towers into the firewall and strengthen the shock towers from deflection. That's what this is all about. The factory has a unit that's on there already. It's got a couple of tabs that come off the shock tower which are spot welded on, and then you've got a couple of panels that come up, attach here to the firewall, but if you grab onto those with your hand, you can literally twist them even though they're bolted in. There'll be some deflection there. So what we want to do is we want to get rid of that, and we want to get something in there with some strength to support these towers, because these towers under load, like autocross or road racing for example, have a lot of deflection going on here. And I'm sure you've heard of where the Mustang shock towers have cracked or something like that, and that can be from road racing or autocross because of all the deflection going on. So you want to strengthen that as much as possible. This thing here, like I said, it's a TS46. We've got our cover plate here that sandwiches the pinch weld, and we give you hardware. The shock mounts bolt directly onto here, and your shock goes through here like so. The only thing you'll have to do is the tack welded tabs that are on the side of the shock tower, those are going to have to be removed in order to install this. We also, by the way, make a Monte Carlo bar to also support the shock towers this way. Where this is supporting it this way, the Monte Carlo bar supports it this way, okay? TS46, 1964 through 66 Mustangs, export brace, 4-bar unit, very strong. If you're using the car in a high-performance application, this is something you may want to consider. Weld it on your shock towers, and you've got these little, I'm going to redo that. I got to do that differently. In another video, we're going to show you how to install this, and we'll show you the tips and give you a whole area. The part number is a TS46. It's for 64 through 66 Mustangs.
Not my phone.
Okay. Next.